Good morning. Welcome to your yoga flow. We'll begin in Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2 with the legs. And here, inhale, waterfall your arms up, and exhale, bend deeply into the front knee. Inhale, pull the energy up. Exhale, soften down. So you're moving in a micro pulse here with your breath. On your exhalation, you're bending as deep into the front knee as you can, keeping the shoulders directly over the hips here. The back leg is completely straight, and you're moving with grace and ease. Inhale, straighten the front leg, stretch back, and exhale, shorten your stance, come into Trikonasana. Sweeping the arm out, around, going back, leaning back, and then sweeping the arm around and back down to the shin. Moving in circular movements here in the rhythm of your breath. On your inhalation, lean back, open up the front side body, and exhale, extend forward through the fingertips, Trikonasana. Big, smooth circles with the arms. Come back to Virabhadrasana 2, and we'll come into Parsvakonasana. Forearm to the thigh, knee over the ankle, press down through the outer edge of the back foot, revolve the heart open. If you want to come deeper, bring your toes, your fingertips in between your toes. Revolve your heart and gaze up. Inhale, return to Virabhadrasana 2, then straighten your front leg. Revolve your toes to face the long edge of your mat, and then we'll come into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2 on the other side. Inhale, waterfall the arms up, and release the hands down. On the inhale, pull energy up the spine. Exhale, bend deeply into the front knee. Make sure that your knee isn't going past your ankle here, and you're keeping your back leg completely straight. Shoulders stay over the hips. Engage your low belly. Inhale, extend the arm, lean way back, straighten your leg, and then swim it around in a circle, Trikonasana. So we're doing big circles with the arms here, opening up the side body. Trikonasana, the arm goes over the ear, down around towards the floor, and back to the back leg, sweeping the front arm forward, around, and back down to the shin. Bend deeply into the front knee, knee over the ankle. Extend the arm straight up, Parsvakonasana. Long line from the outer edge of the back foot all the way up to the little finger. Stay here, bring your fingertips in between your big toe and second toe. Bend even deeper into the front knee. And then come all the way back up, Warrior 2. Straighten the front leg, toes face towards the long edge of the mat. Extend the heart forward, press your elbows together as if there's a ball between them and fold forward. You can grab onto opposite elbows or grab onto your calves or the backs of your ankles. Extending the spine long and using your belly to fold more forward here. Bringing the weight a little bit more forward into the balls of the feet and squeeze your inner thighs here. So it's like you're sucking up the mat with your feet so you can waterfall your spine forward. Come up on your fingertips, extend your spine long, walk your hands around to the front of the mat, come up on the back right toes and lower your right knee down to the mat. Low lunge. Allow the hips to soften and release. And straighten your front leg. Grab onto the outside edge of your calf or the outside edge of your left foot and pull your right elbow towards the right. There can be so much tightness in the hamstring. That's the back of the thigh. Rebend into the front knee, curl the back towards under, and step the feet together. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Stepping back with the left toes now, lower the knees softly to the mat, knee over the ankle, relax the shoulders away from the ears, allow the hips to soften and relax, release towards the earth. And check in with your breath. Are you breathing slowly and evenly in and out the nose? Begin to straighten your front leg. Grab with the left hand to the outside of the shin or the right foot, pulling the left elbow towards the left. Folding forward. Oftentimes we can experience low back pain and its tightness in the hamstrings. Bring your right knee to meet the left. Walk your hands forward, keeping your hips over your knees. Release your forehead towards the mat or a block for Anahata. This is actually a lovely heart opener. It will lift your mood and your spirits and start your day off joyful and alive. Press into the hands, bring your hands back underneath the shoulders, curl your toes under, spread your fingers wide, press the hips up and back. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. Two more deep breaths here. Or on your inhalation, bring your shoulders over your wrists, look forward, exhale, pull the hips up and back. So on your inhale, you roll forward like a wave, look forward, exhale, press back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Few more times here in your own rhythm and at your own pace, building some heat and fluidity in the body. Step your feet together, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, stack your left hip over your right, bend your knee, opening up to the left hip. Press more into the left hand. Exhale, straighten the leg and release. Inhale, lift the right leg straight up, then bend the right knee, stacking the right hip over the left. Press more into the right hand. Opening the hip. Exhale, release the right foot back down, knees to the mat. Balasana, seat to heels, forehead towards the floor. Inhale, rise up to sit on your heels. Sweep the right arm over the ear and back down towards your hip. Then the left arm up over the ear and back down towards the hip. Two more times. Stretch your arms forward. Bring your right arm under the left. Bring the backs of the hands or the palms to touch. Elbows to shoulder level. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Ground and root your tailbone down towards the earth and pull your low abs in. Releasing any tension in the shoulders. So really pull. It's as if you want to pull your arms in opposite directions, but you can't because they're bound. Release, relax, curl the toes under, straighten the legs, grab opposite elbows and hang. Allow a release out of the low back, flush of blood to the knees. One more deep breath, and then exhale, bend the knees, sit back down on the heels. Lengthen your tailbone down, pull your low abs in here. Extend your arms out, left arm wraps around the right, backs the hands or palms to touch. Elbows up to shoulder height and relax your shoulders away from your ears. Now pull the arms in opposite directions. I mean, you can't because they're bound, but that action. Unravel the arms and turn around. Straighten the legs out, rolling down onto your back. Straighten the legs up towards the sky, palms up towards the sky. Breathing deeply in and out the nose. I encourage you to try this pose first thing after you get home from work or after dinner. Bend the knees, straighten one leg out and then the other for Shavasana. 3 deep breaths. And then bend your knees. Come over the side or rock and roll up. I'm wishing you a beautiful day. From my heart, so much love. Namaste.